Welcome to JH. Today, I will demonstrate how to transfer file ownership within Google Drive. The process is quite straightforward. First, locate the file you wish to transfer. Right-click on it, select Share, and then choose Share once more. In the text box, enter the email address of the person who will become the new owner. Ensure their permission level is set to Editor before hitting the Send button. While the file is now shared, the ownership hasn't changed yet. To finalize this, right-click the file again and open the sharing settings. Locate the person you just added, click on the Editor drop-down menu, and select Transfer Ownership. Confirm by sending the invitation. Now switch over to the recipient's email account. You will find an invitation to take ownership of the file. Open that email and click Accept. Once the new owner accepts, the transition is complete. If you check the file details from the second account, you will see that it now lists you as the owner. Thank you for following this guide. If you found this helpful, please like the video and subscribe for more tutorials. See you in the next one.